In this video I will show you how to properly install Oracle VirtualBox in Windows 11. Before installing, must check your Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit. Here, my Windows 11 is 64-bit. You can download the latest version of software from its official site. I have given the link in the description box. Download both platform package and extension pack. Here I have already downloaded the software and now I'm gonna install it. You can install software anywhere or at its default location. Here I have changed the default location. It's showing various virtual machines because I have previously installed it. Now, we will install the most important thing, that is extension pack. Also, if you want to change default machine folder, then you can change it from here. In next video I will show how to create, add, or import virtual machines in VirtualBox with the help of virtual disk. Till then, please like, comment and share this video with your friends. And stay tuned with our channel The Hacking Paradox.